Hey, just talking about it sort of, is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this crewmate here, and basically what this is a new product that I just found out about, which is the power bank handled to use from SmallRig. So this one is for the Insta360, or not sorry, Insta360. This is Osmo Pocket 3 or the 4 for you guys to use, if you guys can see right here. So it's also a longer handle as well, so that's pretty cool. So let's open this up and let's take a look to see what we do get inside here first. So I think we're supposed to open from top part right here. Alright, so once you guys take it out, inside they do provide you guys like a user manual to show you guys how to use and set it up and whatnot. And then right here we should have the product, so let's take this part out. Alright, so once you guys do take it out, they do provide you guys a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then right here we do have the actual product. So this one, the battery capacity is a lot bigger. This one is 5,000 milliamp of power, so it's a lot bigger and longer as well. If you guys compare to the original one, which is what we have right here, this one is like double the size or the length, if you guys can see. But they still have the option for you guys to put it on to like your tripod option here in the bottom, which is pretty cool. So that is not affected. So you're pretty much getting a bigger battery life on the for this newer unit here, which is nice. So that's pretty cool. And the price range is not too expensive as well, which is nice. And then right here, if you guys do press on it, it shows you guys like the battery percentage or the battery life on there, which is nice. Because when you guys press it on the old one, all it does is light up, so you don't know where the percentage is at until when you guys plug it into the DJI Osmo Pocket. Yeah. Oh, and then the back part right here is where you guys will plug in a cable, which is USB-C. So we're just plugging any kind of cable on here. I'm just gonna use the one from, I'm just gonna use this one right here from Droid Room for now to plug it in. It has built-in cable, which is pretty cool. And the little screen right here, that's pretty cute when you guys look at it. If you can see right there. And the cable is pretty long when you guys use it as well, so that's pretty neat. So all I need to do is just plug it into the back part right here. And once you guys do that, it starts charging. So it charges pretty quickly as well, if you can see, USB-C. And obviously, like I mentioned, you guys can use this for the Osmo Pocket 3 or the 4. So right here, I do have the 3 and the 4, if you can see right here. And looking at the color on here, it does look like the color matches the 4 a lot more when you guys do plug it in on here. You can see how when I do have plugged in, this is pretty much what it looks like. So the color seems like it kind of matches on this one here, just by looking at it. Unless I am tripping, but the color looks about the same. And then when you guys do open it up, let me see if it's charging. All right, so it is charging. So when you guys do look at the screen right there, it does show you guys it's charging right there. But usually when you guys tap it, it shows you guys where the battery life is at. But because it's not a DJI product, for the actual battery, it won't show you guys how much battery is left on here, but you can see it on here, so it's not a big issue. And like I mentioned, it is longer and bigger, so the battery capacity is bigger as well. Because on the old one, the battery capacity that's on this one, let me see. This is only 950 milliamp on this one, versus this one right here is 5,000. So definitely lasts a lot longer for this one here, so that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much the difference of what you guys do get. If you guys were to get the old one versus the new one, the new one right here from SmallRig is definitely a lot more powerful and lasts you guys a lot longer. And it doesn't matter, like I mentioned, if you guys use it on the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 or the 3, both of them should work. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys are in the market looking for something like this to charge up your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or the 4. Lasts a lot longer as well, then I think it's actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that you actually do need.